over here, and this is going to be the beginning of a series of very exciting videos here in Tumbler Ridge, British Columbia. I'm gonna hop off this now. So currently, we're at the beginning of the, let me actually just show you. At the beginning of the Monkman, Cascades, and Monkman Lake hiking trail. It's about 45 kilometers there and back. It's going to be a 3 or 4 day endeavor, and that's going to be the first video in the series. I will be doing vlogs in Tumbler Ridge as well, but we're starting off with the big old hike. Alright, you guys, this is the campsite. Oh wow, this is actually really nice. They got garbage, fire pit. This is great, and an axe. They have an axe. Oh, that's awesome. The tent hangs.
This is awesome.
Let me get closer. I know I'm filming on a GoPro, so well, just dropped my bear spray. That's where the tent goes. That's awesome. Okay, we need to set up now.
Okay, so
it's time to tent. Hi, I'm in a tent. Sarah's also in a tent. So we're getting ready to sleep in this tent. Anything else? Anything else?
There's
what is there?
I may show you around the tent. There is a flashlight at the top.
We have stuff here, stuff there, cute stuff there, more stuff there, and a flashlight. And me. That's pretty much it for the tent. Alright, it's morning. I'm kind of tired because it's kind of early, but it's morning. But there's also a fire going, so I'm gonna sit there and hopefully not freeze. Alright, you guys, so now our tent is gone, and we're getting ready to depart to the next site. So it's about 7 or 8 kilometers, so fairly long. And yeah, we're going. Alright, you guys, we made it to the next camp, 7 kilometers of hiking. It's been a while, and the thing that sucks here is that, well, there's only a small stream for water, and there's bugs everywhere, like way too many bugs. So we're debating going another 5 kilometers to another camp, which is said to be better in terms of bugs. Alright, you guys, so we've just cooked up some food. There's still just as many bugs as there were before, so we're moving 5 kilometers that way to head to the next campsite. Let's go. Alright, you guys, we made it. I am so tired. I have no idea how far we went. Well, I guess we went 15 kilometers, but it felt a lot longer than that. I guess with 25 pounds in your back. Anyways, here's the view from our immediate campsite. Not too bad. But we hope to explore a bit more and see some other falls. I'm just tired as hell. We're making a tent. I'm going to bed. All right, you guys. It's currently just about 8:30 p.m. It's really early, but I'm exhausted. Sarah's already asleep. Look, we went over 15K with a lot on my back. I'm exhausted. I just woke up. I already fell asleep as soon as the tent was put up. That's why I wasn't filming. I was so exhausted. I'll do more filming tomorrow. It's fine. We're not going. This is our like final destination. Like we're not actually going any farther. We're just staying here for another night or two. That's the plan. Hello there. It's morning. I'm tired. We slept for like 12 hours or something. We are tired. We're tired. You saw it in the intro clip. Falls. We're going to go today. Today we're not going to do any more backpacking. This is basically our final location. Well, we're not living here, but we're not going any farther. So we're just going to go around this area and explore the numerous falls. These are, after all, the Cascades. There's like 7 or 8 of them, maybe even, I don't know, is there 7? Sarah?
What?
How many waterfalls are there?
I forgot.
Okay, we'll stick with 7 for now. Yeah, that's the plan right now. We're going to check out one that's behind me soon. But first, breakfast.
And I'm from the east side of America. We desensitized by hysteria. And we can pick sides, but this is us. This is us. This is. I live on the west side of America, where they spin lies in the fairy dust. And we can pick sides, but this is us. This is us. This is.
Well, it's another day, and it's the dreaded climb home. Now, we actually only have to go 14K now, because we've already gone 8. All right, here we are. Okay. I'm gonna stop vlogging pretty soon because the GoPro's at like 4% battery. So yeah, that was the Monkman Cascades hike. Backpacking trip. Long 50 kilometers. I'm Kai. Bye for now. See you in the next video.